So good morning, everyone. Today I'll be talking about teaching assignments for second and third year residents. So first of all, what is an assignment? So assignment is allocating some part of the course of the study to students to work upon and to improve their knowledge. So first of all, we need to answer these questions. Should assignments be given? Second, why should they be given? And thirdly, do they have a positive or negative impact on the residents? So here I am today to say that assignments are a must for the residents and they do have a positive impact when it is being done in the right way. So how they help is that it helps them work independently, it helps them take initiative and responsibility for completing a task, and also helps them use the academic library facilities and online resources, and thus organizing and condensing the information. So because we know that the information is available in various ways in the form of books, and then we have the online journals, etc. So students are a little unaware at times as to how to access these and how to condense everything. So when an assignment is given, they systematically start working on it, and thereby they'll be able to make better use of these facilities. And it also helps in developing good research skills and helps in time management, and it gives them a sense of direction. So because medicine is so vast and ophthalmology is so vast that sometimes students are confused as to where to start, where to end, and how to go about the entire thing. So when they are given assignments, it makes it more systematic and gives them a good sense of direction, and also helps them face challenges and deal with them successfully. And when it is being done in a successful manner, it overall improves their self-confidence. So the assignments which are given will be usually in the form of clinical training assignments, surgical training, academic activities, and we also have to stress upon residents being good teachers. So not only does these assignments help the students, but also it helps the teachers because it helps in detecting the lacunae in the students and work on it. So it also helps in assessing the progress of the students. So here I would like to stress upon that it helps in assessing. So we as teachers are here to assess the progress of students and find out their problem areas and lacunae, but not judge them. So we need to help them identify their problem areas and help them accordingly. And this overall will improve the teacher-student relationship. So the two important things that we need to stress upon when we talk about assignments are the quality and quantity. So quality is more important than the quantity. So it is not the number of assignment that matters, but it is the kind of assignments which are given to students. It should be in such a way that the students are enjoying what they're doing and they're learning from it and not just doing it for the heck of it. So finally, I would like to say that effectiveness is defined as a practical output of teaching. So when teaching is done in the form of these assignments, there is definite effective learning. So a well-taught assignment matters not only in the classroom, but also in the broader view of profession. So thus, I would like to conclude by saying that teaching assignments for residents are a must. When it is done in the right way, will definitely have a positive impact on the students, both professionally and personally, and thus overall would improve the system of medical education. I thank you all for your patient listening.